Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Okay, here is the illustration picture of the beautiful ball gown that we are making. I urge you to please watch the previous video, and in this video we'll be transferring our pattern to fabric. Thank you. So here the materials we'll be needing. This is our silk fabric, and we have the lining, same color. Okay, for the bow tie we'll be using this red silk fabric. To start with, I'm going to cut the skirt part of this dress, and to do that we'll be using angle 180 degrees to cut the flare for the skirt part of this dress. Fold the fabric into two, and next we'll fold it in a bias form. So can you see? The next thing, I'll mark out the width. So to get the width of the skirt, you have to divide your waist measurement by 3.14, and the width I'm going to use there is 7.5. So I'm trying to mark out my 7.5 here. Then from here, I'll measure the length of my skirt. The length I'm going to measure is 21 inches. Okay, so the next thing I'll do is to cut it out. Alright, then I'll notch the center. The thing we'll do now is to cut the upper part of this dress. So I folded my fabric into two so I can cut the two sides, and then I place my pattern on top of it. The next thing, I position it very well, and then I'm going to pin it down right away. So after pinning it down like so, I'll begin to impute the allowances. So for the side allowance, I'm going to put 1.5, and the other side I'm going to put 0.5. And for the joining of this area, I'm going to also put 0.5. So after doing it like so, I'll cut it out. All right, so we have the front pattern, and then we adjust our fabric to cut the back piece. Once I get the exact place I am comfortable placing it, like so, can you see? I'll pin it down. All right, so next I quickly impute my side seam allowance. Remember, 1.5 for the sides and 0.5 for all the joining allowances. Next, we cut out. To notch for the zipper. So we'll have our patterns ready. So the next thing, I'll go and cut the exact thing for the lining, and I'll cut the exact thing for the interfacing. I'll iron it out properly, and then we'll start sewing.